Hello my creative friends, today we are going to draw a doodle of a girl who is painting. This doodle is not only easy but also short, so continue till last. There is no much description of this doodle. This is just a girl who is doing painting with palette in the hand and having little cap on head. You can assume that she is me. Most importantly, I am thanking all my 160 subscribers with the bottom of my heart. I know you are surely thinking about the number of subscribers, but I have a habit of celebrating little things. Thank you so much for joining Doodle Castle. I hope our family will increase day by day. Keep loving, keep doodling, and take care. Bye.